for this episode of Fishing Grills!
Fish, I saw two of these little guys just watching me.
Oh, two?
I let one go. I was just playing with it. Let it go. Don't let it go.
I know the new regulations now is 6 inches. And from 5 now it's 6. I think they just want to help the population a bit. These are healthy in number. It's pretty abundant on our reefs. But they just want to be a little bit more strict on the amount we catch and the size we harvest. Just little 2-finger techniques, pinch it out. These eventually don't have to scale, they're just little flakes that comes off. But I mean, some people scale it, and I'm a dad likes to scale it. Yeah, I just have to keep the scales on. So these are called the Convict Tang. As you can see from the stripes, they look like a convict. And so what they do is that they'll gather in numbers so predators doesn't single one out. And they'll actually make their vision blurry. If they're swimming in the school, going back and forth like that, it's kind of hard to pick one out from the school. So it's a defense mechanism. And we got these spikes. See real close. Those will get you. You got me a few times already. Here we have is our clean manini. Now it's time to prep it. So just a nice score. Depending on the size, you want to put 2 to 4. Go inch, inch and a half each side. Just like that. Makes little nice size bite sizes to pull it off with the fork, scrape it off, just like that. All right, we're just gonna top it with some la banana, la banana, la banana. That's such a flowy word, la banana. Should do a wrap. Here we have some la banana, la banana, la banana, la banana, la banana, la banana. Making your dishes more delicious. La banana, la banana. That'd be cute, yeah. Boom, so a little bit garlic pot kai. Pot kai and pepper. But wait, there's more. We're gonna light coat it with some flour. Just a light coat, ain't gotta be heavy. This is just to crisp up the skin. Because we're gonna fry these deep fry crispy. So I want to have a little bit extra crunch to that skin. So just a light coat. Ready for the oil. We're also making smoked tacos, so this has been soaking in barbecue sauce for the past 2 weeks. So I think this is gonna be delicious. But a cool secret before you smoke taco, cook chicken first. What does chicken do, you ask? Makes the fire hot. Adds a lot of oil content to the charcoals or creates a lot of smoke. So it enhances the smoking experiences for when you smoke taco. So cook a couple pieces of chicken before you put your taco on. Makes for a better smoked taco. And for our chicken, we're using one of La Morena's newest products, spicy Hawaiian chili pepper, Panolo barbecue rub. Spicy, great flavoring, perfect for your chicken. On the fire we go. Alright, so for the same reason why we put rosemary in the oil, for the extra flavor, you also can do that with chili peppers. It adds a nice little kick to it. So I just like to just break it in half one time, drop it in, and that releases all that spiciness into the oil, and you'll definitely be tasting in the fish after. So give that a try. Yep. Stick around. Hot. Hot. So hot. So as you see with the chicken fat, creates a lot of smoke, creates a lot of heat, leaves that nice oil on top of the grill. That's what we want. We put our taco on there. See that flames all on the grill? That's that oily oils. Still frozen. A little bit. So let that curl up and then smoke them. Very distinctive flavor, I would say, because I grew up eating this. A lot of people, 99% of you guys would say Cole is better, but I would say this is like the Big Mac, and Cole is the Whopper. A little bit bigger, a little bit better, but a lot of the Kapunas I've met throughout the years, they prefer this over the Cole. One, less fat content. Two, a little bit cleaner tasting meat. And three, it's just as abundant as Cole.
Probably more abundant. I don't know.
You
Maybe
think
more
so?
abundant. I've seen more Maninis than cola is. I don't know.
I just think nowadays you gotta go deeper for cole. I heard you guys going like 50, 60 feet deep now for cole. This one you shoot them. you can shoot them while washing your goggles.
Yeah, I guess it could be just a wahoo then or something.
But that's what you think. Cole Manini. Most people say cole, but for me personally, Manini. So I grew up shooting Maninis with my dad. It's one of the first things I've shot, and it's always been a staple of growing up. What you think about the Manini, Dad?
Well, the Kapunas, they like these fish. They always used to tell me put money in for them. When you dive, there's nothing else in the ocean that you can catch. Catch some Maninis for dinner at least. The good eating fish. The kids ate this as small kids.
Okay,
Really
enough.
good.
But the golden question, what would you rate that over a cole?
Tai tai.
Tai tai. Tai tai, he says.
Yeah, tai tai. Maninis is good. College is good too.
So I'm gonna take some of this oil. I'm putting it in this pan, and I'm gonna use this to caramelize some F&G sauce. And I'm gonna dump it on the tray, pop in some green onions, and it'll be good. So this is just about done. Look at that. So crispy. Ooh. So what I'll do is melt down the sugars that's inside here. And so we're gonna caramelize it. That's where you get caramel from melted sugar. So once the sugar melts down a little bit, then we're gonna top it over with some green onion. And it's gonna be winners. You smell it? Okay. See, we went from like a bright red to now like a maroonish color. That's what we want. So, some over the taco, some over these fishes. There you go. All right, this is picked in our garden just a few moments ago. It has nice color, texture, and add some flavor to it. Smoked taco with caramelized gochujang on top. Oh well, that's good. Yeah, I'm allergic, but risk and reward, baby.
Oh,
It's good though.
soft. Perfect.
We gotta do them more often. So we didn't soak them. We forgot them in the fridge for 2 days. So we threw them in the freezer for 2 weeks, and the thing came out cherry. Bugger is so. All right, so with most fried crispy fish, I can tell the crispiness by the tail. It's the first thing I go for. So far up the tail, it's how crispy it is. So usually you go all the way through the whole things, but right there is fine. Then we're gonna tips. Then potato chips. Then pull it back off like that. That bite deserves a scoop of rice. These little sections. Just kind of peel it off like that. Comes out one perfect bite. Depending, I go right here. Some people like to cuff their heads before they fry it. It's one of the best parts, fried crispy. Eating the brains, the eyes, the lips, all that. Good nutrients, lots of flavor. Really good. Continue on. Main bone. I'm gonna suck the bones. And then this part, right here, if it's cooked good, eat the whole wing. Straight fin, muscle, and crispy bones. So no. And as I'm allergic to octopus, if I ingest enough, I start breaking out in the hives. I start, getting swollen throat and everything. But in moderation, not too bad.
It's risk and reward, baby.
So much flavor. It actually has more protein than steak. More vitamins, more nutrients. Very delicious. Thank y'all for sticking around.
It's some good times, good grinds, good people, and as always,
Stay tuned for the next episode of
Fish and Grills.
Yes, sir. Cheese. Brought you some snacks. Come here. G's ice cream. G's ice cream. If you see them on the road, check them out. Tell them.
Milani, West Side.
Yeah, tell them Fish and Girls Boys sent you, and they're gonna charge you full price. Raja.
Raja.
Well, this is some snacks we cooked tonight.
Is that, what is that, Manini?
Manini.
Ooh,
Wow, that's one of my
so good. That's
favorites.
my favorite.
And that's
Octopus.
teriyaki smoked taco with gochujang.
Yum.
Sauce on top.
Yum, 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 yum.
And where's the chili pepper?
Here, let me put this down.
It was inside the sauce. We throw in the sauce.
Oh,
Yeah. So there's a little kick to it. Hi, Buggy.
That's Mahina.
This is a boy, girl.
Girl, love it.
Oh, hello.
That's Mahina.
What I want to do is I want to get a bunch of chihuahuas and a bunch of pit bulls and mate them and make more honeys. Because that's the perfect dog, right? Half pit bull, half chihuahua. How's it taste?
Oh no.
Oh no. She says, oh no.
I haven't had Manini in so long.
Let me try a little.
Okay.
Oh, what kind of sauce did you put it in?
I
red
I
sauce.
caramelized some of our FNG sauce and then topped it over.
Reminds me of my dad.
Oh.
Because he always used to make us Manini, right?
Yeah. He's also to go dive with my dad to go catch him.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
then we used to come over to get bags from your guys' freezer.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yummy. Thank
Wow,
you.
so good.
So good. Fish and Grills, so good. You
Oh.
missing out. Look at that.
Yeah.
Too bad.
That's what it's about. When you share and they enjoy it, it's like the pinnacle of what we do, We can share our love and experiences, our skills for other people's enjoyment. This warms my heart. Thank you guys so much for enjoying it.
Thank you.